What if your tooth has to be extracted? Laura does everything at high speed. She's a race car driver. She wants to be fast, she wants to win, but does not compromise on safety. Laura has a tooth that couldn't be maintained. Unfortunately, she has to have it extracted. Laura isn't happy about this as she had previous bad experiences with tooth extraction. Therefore, she wants to make her own informed decisions about how to proceed. And, as a race car driver, she wants the fastest and most successful solution her dentist Jean can offer. After Jean has examined Laura's tooth carefully, she recommends immediate implant placement because her bone and gum tissues are thick enough. Immediate implants are inserted right after tooth extraction. This occurs within the same surgery. Laura asks whether the procedure is safe. Based on her own experience, Laura knows that if you go too fast and want to be successful, you need to make sure you've taken all the right precautions. Jean explains that the treatment involves a bone graft. A bone graft is a filler material added around the implant to ensure a long-term stability and aesthetics of the implant. The treatment is fast and the results are not compromised. Speed and safety in one? This is what Laura has decided for to have a fast and safe result. If you'd like to know more about immediate implant placement and the bone grafting procedure, contact your dentist today.